my lovely Nottingham people. I'm excited to come your way again today. It's a beautiful sunny day out there today, and I hope you're enjoying some sun. If you're not doing that, step out and enjoy some sun. But I'm excited to come to you today to talk to you about our annual fundraising event, which is the Red Carpet event. This year we'll be organizing the Red Carpet for the fourth time. It's been themed Threads of Triumph. If you're watching me for the first time, my name is Sheila, and I'm the founder and one of the directors of Skill Dance Organization CIC. This is a charity that empowers women through Artisan Craft workshops. Over the past years, 6 years to be precise, we have empowered over 400 women, and we continue to do so as our services and the demand for our services increases. There is a desire to raise funds to continue to empower women in the community. And that is why I've come to you today. We cannot do this on our own without your help and your support. So we are asking that the people of Nottingham help us create awareness about our fundraising event, which is the Red Carpet event, and help us sell the tickets to this event. This is a ticketed event, and the basic ticket is £5. The VIP ticket is £10, which comes with some perks. It comes with front seating, a glass of wine, and some finger foods. If you chance, the Red Carpet event is a 3-activity in one. It's a fashion show, an award ceremony, and an exhibition and sale. The fashion show bit is where the women in the dressmaking class will make garments to be modeled on the runway. The exhibition and sale is where we exhibit all the works we've done in the years and hopefully sell some of them to raise funds for our services to the women in Nottingham. The awards celebration bit is where we award our women for their dedication, commitment, skill to skilled hands whilst they were in our workshops. This event promises to be exciting. The Lord Mayor of Nottingham is going to be there. We hope to have very special guests as well. There's going to be a lot of pictures taken, tombola, very fun activities, live performances. I'm not going to tell you all, but I'm looking forward to seeing you and celebrating with you on that day. Please put this message on your timeline, social media pages. Nottingham women, we need you now to support us. This is a family event. It's a day where we are showing skill, talent. There'll be a lot to laugh about. There'll be a lot to see in regards to craft. Some of these things are what you'll be seeing on that day. This was handcrafted by one of our women, and there's a lot more to see. I'm looking forward to seeing you there. Have a brilliant day and enjoy some sun, and see you soon. Bye.